We've certainly seen our share nationally of targeting, ambush-style shootings of law enforcement throughout this country. 163% increase in ambush-style shootings of law enforcement officers in 1 year.
I ask for you to pass Assembly Bill 48 to help protect those who protect you.
Just last year in 2016, 144 police officers lost their lives across this country. 64 of those police officers were killed by gunfire. 21 of those 64 were killed in ambush-style shootings. These individuals were specifically targeted for the profession they chose, for the uniform they wear. These officers were victims of pure hatred, no different than if they would have been attacked due to their race, religion, color, disability, or sexual preference.
But unfortunately, the title of this Blue Lives Matter bill, which can't be seen as anything as a wedge. It's definitely a response to the Black Lives Matter. And I just want to apologize up front because I'm definitely going to make a few people uncomfortable. Because as a black man, we're raising a occupation, something somebody chooses to do to the level of something that I can't change about myself. Can you tell me what exactly warrants this legislation here in Wisconsin, specifically Wisconsin incidents?
This gentleman right here is an example. And I don't know how you can be so dismissive of a gentleman who gave a very personal story here of how he was targeted entirely and solely because he was a police officer. And he was off duty with his family at a diner, and someone comes up and starts wailing on his face because he's a police officer? And you act as if you didn't just hear that.
The concern that folks like myself and Representative Crowley have as people of color, and myself as a member of our lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community, is that you're equating race, religion, color, disability to a job, that you would equate a job with really folks' identity that cannot be removed at the end of the day. So tonight when I go home, I won't hang up my Latina-ness or my LGBT-ness. It is in fact an inherent part of my identity.